Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Today we will learn about implicit differentiation. In implicit differentiation, up to now we have worked with the function expressed in the form y equal fx. In this form, the variable y is expressed easily in the term of the variable x. A function in this form is said to be in explicit form. So in the previous time, we are doing the differentiation, it's called by explicit form. However, some function cannot be written in explicit form. Consider the following function. Y power 5 plus y plus x equal 0. This one is the function cannot be written in explicit form because y sorry, because y, there is two different variable, the first y and the second x. So however, we cannot write the equation in the form y equal fx because there is y in here, and then we said that x determine y implicitly. How can we differentiate an implicit function? Recall the chain rule for differentiation. In an implicit function, y is still a function of x because y equal fx, even we cannot write this explicitly. So we can use the chain rule to differentiation terms y as a function of x. So continue. Example, y power 4 prime is equal, we change y to be fx, so this is fx power 4 prime. So this one is the general power rule. In general power rule, 4 times fx power 3 times the, yes, correct, the derivative of the function. Because y is equal fx, we change fx to be y. If you look here, for y power 3 times y prime, or another another shape of this one to be 4 y 3 times dy over dx, because the first derivative is equal to be dy over dx. Okay, another example. 7y prime is equal 7y prime, or 7 in here, and then y prime is equal dy over dx. So this procedure is called by implicit function. Implicit function is the differentiate both sides to the equation with respect to the x. Remember, how many variable in there, but there are always differentiate respect to the x. You should remember about that one. Remember that y is really a function of x, and use chain rule when differentiating terms containing y, and then solve the resulting equation for y prime or dy or over dx of the term x and y. So, example, find the first derivative of y given this equation. Solution, you need to differentiate of the both side. Okay, because in the left side they are using the sum rule, so you need to using sum rule. Differentiate of the y power 5 is y, no, sorry, 5 y power 4 times y prime, and then y prime to be y prime. Differentiate of x is 1. Okay, so you need to factorize, because in the left side they have the same y prime, so we can factorize each other. Factorize y prime to be y prime times 4 5y power 4 plus 1 equal minus 1, and then isolate y prime to be minus 1 over 5y power 4 plus 1. So this is the first derivative of this equation. So you need to remember, sometimes you need to isolate y prime, or sometimes you need to isolate the y over dx. Example, find dy over dx given the equation y power 3 minus y square x plus x square minus 1 equal 0. In implicit function, the first thing first you should doing is differentiate the both side. It's always remember. And then after you differentiate the both side, you need to know what in the inside of the function. Because the function is the sum rule, so you need to using the sum rule formula. Okay, everyone? Yeah. Differentiate of y power 3 is, yeah, of course, 3y squared, because they have y prime, because we can change y prime to be dy over dx. Why we need to change dy over dx? Because they ask about dy over dx. If they ask about y prime, you can using in here y prime. Okay. And then derivative on y squared times x, let u to be y squared and let v to be x. Derivative y squared is 2y times dy over dx times x, and then plus y squared times derivative x is 1, and then derivative x squared is 2x, derivative 1 is 0. And then you can factorize each other to dy over dx, 3y squared minus 2yx minus y squared plus 2x equals 0. So you just need open the bracket, and then you can collect the same variable or the same the derivative, or you can call it factorized. And then dy over dx times 3y squared minus 2yx equal, you can move this y squared place to be the right side, to be y squared minus 2x. So dy over dx is y squared minus 2x over 3y squared minus 2yx. So you need to make everything in here to be dy over dx, or isolate dy over dx. Okay, another example. This equation is x squared plus y squared minus 4. They they told us about find dy over dx. So the first thing first you need to doing is, yes, differentiating both sides respect to the x. And then after you differentiating about this one, because the second line in here is by sum rule, so derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of y squared is 2y times dy over dx, because in here is chain rule of the function, or of the general power rule. So 2y over dy over dx equal minus 2x. So dy over dx equal minus 2x over 2y. So you can cancel to each other. So the result will be dy over dx minus x over y. Okay, I think you understand about how to find y prime, or first derivative of implicit differentiation. Find the slope of the tangent line to the curve at the point square root of 3.1. Solution. The solution of tangent line, in the beginning we already learned a tangent line is equal the first derivative of the function. So we can write like this one: y-axis, so slope equal dy over dx, because in the previous slide dy over dx is equal minus x over y. So you just need to substitute x to be square root of 3, and then you need to substitute y to be 1. So the result will be like minus square root of 3. Okay, everyone? So find the equation of the tangent line at this point. We can find the equation of the tangent line by using point slope. The point slope is the previous is square root of 3.1, and the slope we already get is minus square root of 3. This formula, you just need to substitute until you get square root of 3x plus y minus 4 equal 0. Okay, in here you need to derivating both sides of equation with respect to x. D, because this is y is the function x squared plus y squared power half over dx times d over dx x squared. So derivative of this one is 1 over 2 x squared plus y squared power minus half, and then times by d over dx x squared plus y squared plus derivative of x squared is 2x, correct? Derivative of 2 is 0. And then half times x squared plus y squared power minus half. You need to derivative the sum rule in here to be derivative of x squared is 2y, derivative of y is 2y times dy over dx plus 2x, and then, okay, you need to move the place to be here like this, minus 2x over 1 half x squared plus y squared minus the power minus half. So the result will be like this. Nah, okay, dy 2 2y dy over dx equal minus 4x x squared plus y squared half minus 2x. So you can get the conclusion dy over dx equal minus 2x x squared plus y squared power half minus x over x. I think you should learn more about yourself about this one, because you should understand how to do way to get the implicit function. You need to more intelligent in here and diligent in here, okay? And then you should be patient to answer this question, okay, everyone? And then you have exercise in check yourself 17 page 63. Thank you for today. I hope you enjoy. Please give thumbs up if you like it, and then share it and give the comment. Okay, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.